Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's a long time no see. It's been a long time since I posted videos. So this video I made last month only, but I forgot to post it and I got busy with life. So just let's share the tutorial today. So I made this Krishna and Radha set of MDF board paintings. So this one got a pretty good response on my Instagram. You can see my Instagram there. So for this I didn't make a video, so that's why when I painted my Radha, I recorded the video for the whole process. It's gonna be the same process, only instead of giving it making it blue, you can say I gave it more feminine look here to the Radha, and rest of the process is the same. This is how I made the skin and the eyes and everything. So these are the three colors that I'm using for the skin. So just let's move on and see what I did in the whole process. Okay guys, so this is what the Radha looks like. So after that I'm gonna add some, you know, the last touches here, and after completion of the whole painting we're gonna spray paint, you know, spray varnish it, or either you don't have a spray varnish, you can use any kind of you know, the medium or the liquid varnish, so that you can seal your painting, and it also gives a nice glossy look to the painting. So guys, that's it for today. So see you next time with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.